Hello everyone, today we will look at order blocks and how you can identify them and trade with them. So let's start on this diagram. We can see that we made this high here. After that we made a higher high. Then we want to see break of this structure or market structure shift right here. And we are looking for the last up close candle that broke this high right here. So after the price comes down, we are looking for up close candle, which is the order block. And this is where we want to enter our short position. Now let's look at bullish order block. So we got low, high, lower low. So we took this liquidity right here. Then we are waiting for a break of this high. After that, you want to look at this last down close candle that took out this liquidity right here. And that is our point of interest where we want to enter the trade. Order blocks can also be used on trending day, where we are looking for first down close candle on like a 5-minute chart or 15-minute chart. Then we take that candle and we are waiting for price to enter this again. So down close candle, then powerful move up that breaks this liquidity right here. And then we are waiting for an entry here and targeting some higher time frame liquidity. We have two types of order blocks. One is higher probability and one is lower. When we have these big candles right here, it's the higher probability one. And I draw my box based on the candle body. So like this. And this would be my order block. Now, with the small candles, I use their wick and the body. So this one is bullish. So I would chart it like this. This one is the same thing. And lower probability would be the higher part of the bullish order block and lower part of the bearish one. So now let's look at some examples where you can use the lower probability and then we will look at the higher probability one. So right here we can see that we are trending up and we are on the 5-minute chart. Because when you look at the 1-minute chart, you basically see nothing. So let's go to the 5-minute chart. And now you have no way to enter this trade. So we are waiting for down close candle. So 1, 2. We can see that this candle was down close one. So now we are looking at this and we are thinking that this might be an order block. So we wait for the break of this high right here. Big candle. So now we mark this candle as an order block. And we want to enter long on this point. Or you can take Fibonacci and enter on the mean threshold, which is the 50% of the order block. So can be right here too. Your stop loss should be at least 1 tick below this whole candle. Let me mark this up again. So let's see what happens. And your target is this liquidity right here, which is the higher time frame liquidity. So you can see the price is running. Now we have first down close candle, second one. You would probably get filled here. Let's see what the price does. So again, it's respecting this order block, as you can see. Now another candle. Once again, respects it. You would also get filled at the mean threshold. And then you can see huge candle that touched our target right here. And then once again. So here we can see this liquidity right here, and we are expecting a push down. Now we're pushing. we break through with this candle right here, but we can see that the price is kind of chopping. So what you can do is go to the higher time frame, and now it looks way better, right? You have this last down close candle right here, which we think about now as maybe being an order block if we break this high right here. So we're waiting for the break. We break through here. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. Mark it up. Our entry would be exactly here, or also the mean threshold, but you're risking not getting filled by that. So let's go to the lower time frame, and right here you would basically wait for this break, and then you would put your fill or limit order here. So you can see it's getting filled. For those that would like to see more from me and see my thought process trading daily, you can join my group. We are already up more than 2K on the trades there, so you can join. And today is the last day you can join for only $50. After that, the price goes to 150, and there will be no discounts ever again, and the price will go even higher. And your stop loss should be below this low, at least one tick. So we can aim for 1 hour trade, and then also for higher time frame liquidity, which would be right here. So let's see how this trade plays out. You can see that we would get filled here for 2 hours. And we would also get filled at the even higher point here. And also we can see that we have some order blocks here. The 15-minute chart. So last down close candle, break above, entry here, and same thing like last time. So last example, our bearish order block. Let's go to the 5-minute chart. We can see this high right here. This up close candle breaks through. So we can also look at the higher time frame, and what you can do is go even to 1 hour chart or 15-minute, and all of these candles right here can be used as the block. So now what we're waiting for is can go to the lower time frame, and your short would be here. Stop loss 1 tick above this high, and your targets again go to higher time frame, and we can see that we have this liquidity right here, which was already taken, this liquidity, this one, and the lowest one right here, and also we have this one, but that's very far. So let's go to the 5-minute chart. Let's see if we get filled. Our first target will be this, which is 1.4 RR, then 2.7, 3.5, and that's it. So we got filled here. Now let's see what the price does. Starts dropping, and let's see if we get even more. Yes, we got filled even more, and maybe it drops even more, but yes, you can see it starts consolidating after, and it's probably gonna reverse. So that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe and leave a like. See you in the next one.